Hello everyone, my name is Joan. I'm a plant and gardening content writer living in Lagos, Nigeria. I write about enhancing living spaces with tropical plants, and I'm here today to visit a gardener I met on Instagram, the Intrepid Gardener, Mrs. Agbaje.
Yes.
So we're going to go into her garden to see her lovely plant collection, and this is a garden that she's been working on for the past 8 years. So come along. Thanks for having me to your garden. I really love your work. And when I first saw you on Instagram, I think what really struck me was the element of art that you had in your garden. I mean, I'm an art lover as well, and there's just so many little bits and pieces here and there. It's so pretty. I mean, look at this door, for instance. I mean, this is so pretty. The windows. This must be a really nice space to come out to. Okay, so come closer. Come and see this. This is a chair. Oh, this is a chair. And you said you got this from a mango tree?
Yes, my neighbor disposed of his mango tree, cut it up, and in chunks outside. I looked at this piece of wood and it said chair.
Chair. There was a chair in it.
There was a chair.
So you brought out the chair.
So I brought out the chair. I had them cut it up, and there it is. I can relax on it in the evenings.
It's so pretty. And I like this. This is like a water feature thing.
Yes.
Okay, but you have your maidenhair
found
fan.
it, yes. Unfortunately, it's not doing so well. The sun has been too much.
Yeah, it's been very hot these last few days.
It's coming back up
Very
again.
pretty.
Coming back up again.
And then these are aralias,
They
right?
are aralias.
Okay.
This is another towel pot.
Towel. Okay.
Towels. Soak
Yeah.
towels in cement, hang them, dry them,
Oh, nice.
and the pot came out.
So, and then the do you plant directly in the pots?
You can. In some
Okay.
of them I have. This
Okay.
one, there's another pot in it, but I have some that I have planted directly in.
So pretty. This I can see a horse here.
Yes. Another piece of driftwood that I saw on the road that screamed horse to me.
Are you serious?
So I bought it for maybe 3,000 naira. And I got them to bring the horse
out
to
of the
life.
wood. What's this sculpture we have behind?
I call him Silverman. I wanted.
So you had this. You had this made.
I had this made.
Okay.
I kind of based it on the thinker. If anybody knows about the thinker.
Okay.
So it's supposed to be reflective, and then he's overseeing everything in the garden.
Okay. So what do we have here?
I call him Baba Olode. He's a hunter,
Okay.
supposed to be ready to kill this lion.
Oh, okay.
And I just thought he would fit in the jungle that I have as a garden. So he's there among the plants.
And this Bismarck palm.
This Bismarck palm, I'm so happy to tell you that I propagated it from a seed that I bought in Florida many years ago. And luckily for me, for once, my thumbs were green.
It's so pretty. And those are the fish. That's the fishtail palm, right?
Yes, the fishtail palm,
Yeah.
the same thing.
You have
They-
lots of palms.
Very little. I'll even show you what I did. I did the same thing. Yes.
Such a lovely palm. I remember seeing this planter on Instagram, and I asked you to post a
Yes,
bigger
yes.
picture of it. It's so pretty. So
I saw it and I fell in love with it.
And
the
then-
leaves spoke to me,
okay,
and I decided, they told me it was for indoor, but I wanted it out.
outdoors. All right. This is so beautiful. You probably don't leave this place. I mean, it's such a beautiful space to be.
It's cooling, it's refreshing. You can commune with nature, and it's always cool.
I like this scrotum.
Yes. Memories of childhood. There were a lot of protons when we were growing up.
Okay.
So not too many people have them anymore.
Okay. But these are different. I mean, the wavy leaves, these wavy margins. So
They used to be very common, but I don't know.
I've not seen this type before. And they're growing in pots.
Yes, and that pot
Yeah.
was also made by me.
Oh, really? You made the pots?
Yes.
From what?
Tiles.
Oh, okay.
4 tiles that I cemented together.
Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, nice. And this agave, very pretty, textural.
Call her Medusa.
Medusa. There's so many pots. There's so many growing in there.
Yeah. So this bamboo started with just one bamboo stick and has grown and grown and grown. The bamboo is a very prolific plant, but it sheds a lot, which is why I clad it. So
Okay, so you have this cloth, net around
the net
it.
is to try and catch the leaves that are shedding
Okay.
as much as I can. So periodically I remove the cladding, I shake off the leaves, and I put them back.
And you have these I saw this too on Instagram. This it's so realistic. I mean, it has eyelashes. Oh my goodness. And you made this from jerry cans.
From vegetable oil
kegs.
kegs.
Yeah? Okay, and then you put the head scarf. Is it fabric?
Yes, it's fabric.
Okay, nice. I mean, so
Just to try
creative.
and-
I mean, look at the lovely ways you can display your plants. And then the pots for hanging. So when you have this sort of trees, then you can hang other things on them.
On the different
on the
limbs.
different, yeah.
Yes.
So pretty.
As much as I love the bamboo and the cooling shade it gives, it's very, very invasive. So you have to be careful where you put it. This particular stem came out less than a week ago.
Wow.
You can actually stand here and
watch
you
it grow.
watch it grow. That's how quickly it goes
Are
up.
you serious?
So I keep cutting back because I don't want any more, except maybe they're in the middle of what I already have.
And then you said the ground had the bamboo roots
The bamboo roots
all over.
go under the ground,
Yeah.
and which is why I had to make this a sitting area.
Okay.
The roots of the bamboo have gone under the pavement and nothing grows here on the ground. So I cemented it and then we just sit down around here.
Wow. It provides a nice shade though.
It does.
Oh,
That's
and
why I
this-
say I love it and I hate it.
Oh. And I like these displays. I mean, this is nice. You have lots of sitting areas in your garden. You must really enjoy this garden a lot. If I lived here, I wouldn't leave home.
Ah. We do spend a lot of time out there.
It's really nice. This is like a cactus, but look
It's
at
a
the leaves.
cactus. They call it a cactus plant. That's what they just told me.
But it has
Leafy
these leaves.
Yes, it has leaves. I'm sorry, I don't know too many names, but I know what.
Oh, lovely. The veg sounds in this garden is
Yeah.
just awesome. Oh, so this is a lovely walkway. Okay. Lovely. Look at that vine up there, growing up there.
Yes.
Oh, lovely. And this is so pretty.
And my Heliconia,
Oh,
what would I call it? Heliconia corner.
wow. It's so lovely. And then this
Oleander.
oleander. Okay.
Yes.
And then these are the seed pods. This is the first time seeing this with seeds.
So I guess they will
Fall
open
down
and then
disperse.
Yes.
This is the heliconia. Is it blooming?
yes, it is. We have one right here.
Oh, nice. How long does it take to grow and bloom?
Maybe a year.
About a year, really?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
very easy.
nice.
And then we have the
Bird of Paradise.
One
Wow.
is just coming out.
That takes about 7 years, I hear.
Yes.
It takes a
In
longer
fact,
time.
that's another one. I'm just seeing that.
Oh,
it's another
okay,
one in the
nice.
middle.
Oh, nice.
I'd almost even given up.
Okay. So it's true what they say, 7 years before it blooms.
Given up.
And then the heliconia, a shorter period.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice to know. I really like these planters. So pretty. So creative. I mean, this is just plastic, and you
It
painted
is.
eyes on them, and you do that
Yes.
yourself.
Yes, I
I
do.
guess you might need to give us a lesson. It's so pretty.
Okay.
You know, put some things
No
there
problem. And then make different characters
out of them.
Yes.
Oh, and this one has a hat.
It has a hat on.
Oh, nice. Oh, and this one has glasses.
Yeah, and she has hair.
Oh, she has hair.
And he's wearing glasses.
Oh, nice. I mean, like, I guess you could just fill your wall with this,
Yes.
you know, and it's lovely characters. Oh, nice. And this is the spider lily.
That's a spider lily.
Okay, and then this is the pinatipatita.
Yes.
Okay, Monstera pinatipatita. You have such a lovely garden.
Thank you.
Some of the gardens I've featured, and my garden as well, is on concrete, because that's how we found the space. But you have the ground to play with, and you said you've grown this for 8 years.
Yes, for the past 8 years.
And so there was nothing here
Nothing.
until then.
Nothing.
And it's so full.
Nothing.
You have a ground, you have the grass, you have everything. So you must make your own compost as well.
I do.
Okay.
I do. This is one of my grottos.
Okay.
It's a vine. I cannot remember the name, but I prune it so that I can sit underneath it on very hot days.
Oh, nice.
And it's cool.
Oh, nice.
So, put a chair here. And just relax. For some reason, I like arches.
Okay.
This is another arch
Okay.
that it's good for shade and leads to another part, the back part of the garden. Really.
Okay. Oh, this is lovely bougainvillea.
Yes. She's done very well. She's happy. She's always flowering and has extended into my neighbor's garden.
And
But
your
I
neighbor
don't think
doesn't
he
mind?
He doesn't mind at all.
Very kind. It's nice to be around plant lovers. Plant lovers have a community. Look at the bougainvillea.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's an overcast day. It was actually threatening to rain earlier. So you have this. You said it's a cashew
It's a
tree.
cashew tree.
Cashew tree, but it hasn't.
It has
fruited
once.
Okay.
And since then, so I'm hoping it will smile on me again and fruit again soon.
Okay.
This plant is supposed to be a mosquito repellent.
Okay.
So what I do is it has would I call it astringent? So when I come out, I take the leaves and I rub it on my body, and it does keep the mosquitoes away. I just hope I can get more of them and plant them around
the house. Okay. So let me see it close up. See if we can ID it. This is another arch made from.
Chrysalis, the chrysalis plant.
Okay. Up there.
Up there. That's
And then the hibiscus.
and yes, and the hibiscus, the chrysalis, and this. I don't know the name. This
the
yellow
one with the yellow flowers.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, look at that! You have pots there.
That I made from cement.
Oh, you made them yourself. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. You make your pots.
I have these urges.
All right, thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy this. The weather was overcast, was threatening to rain, so we did the best that we could. So, and if you did like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, like this video, and also follow Intrepid Gardener on Instagram. I'm also on Instagram as Plants in Tropical Spaces.
Yes.
And then read the articles on my website. We can make our homes beautiful. This is such a beautiful space, and I hope you felt inspired by what you've seen here. Thanks for watching, and bye.
Bye-bye.